Morning, everybody. This is polyurethane strapping material, and it gets wrapped around pallets and pulled together with this guy, the strapping tool. And we end up wasting a lot of this stuff because when we pull it out here, no one ever really sure of exactly how much to take, and we end up leaving a lot of it behind when we wrap the pallet. So Michael came up with this idea.
The large ski. So we have a large ski mark over here, and usually we put three times the vinyl. So this vinyl 1, vinyl 2, vinyl 3. So every time when we need to get the straight, so we can why? Because they go on wrong. So they need the 2 times large ski. And 2 times 3 tier vinyl. Okay, that's the strip we need. What we need. Sometimes you need a little bit longer, but for the square ski, the strip. That's the strip we close we can get. So won't wet any. That's what we wear.
Perfect. Good job.